This time, we're not going to go too far back into the past, only to 2000 with a PC game called Big Rigs over-the-road racing. And I usually do games from the current millennium. This is a huge request, but I'm sure that's an exaggeration. Low. It just looks like trucks. And it's from the new millennium, well after the pie days of gaming, after the ETs and Jekyll and Hydes, after the advent of quality control. So how bad could it be? Alright, let me grab the mouse here. Okay, pick the truck. Yeah, that's fine. Pick the course. Alright, loading. And the race begins. This is awesome! No. That didn't happen.
Ludicrous speed! We've gone to Prague! I can't take it anymore!
Look at this, look at me, go! Oh, yeah, your truck passes through everything. I haven't found one thing that stops you. Even the hills slow you down. This is a truck. It's invincible. Oh, there it is. You can't release something that's finished. Big Rigs was just some test game, some kind of demo that a college student made, not an actual game that got sold in stores. And it was rated by the ESRB. Somebody from the ESRB looked at this game and gave
For interdimensional exploring, leave the game behind, exceed the boundaries of existence! Big motherfucking rigs! Fucking trucks! Big rigs.
Well, the truck's fucking the ground. Whoa!